Free mantam near the Nia Chemo, Tifia Prayer mantam no emu. Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association won upon a yadisian for one do a duasa enkno ehun 3 yemu. Ekoso Bolgatanga Jumediana Seno and mantam nemu penia wono da Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association ano. Ma Rebecca Golo Ekasano and odia desredia to abayanim so was reno adambe so wasni sanse wonim se sa kwan so won so betumi aboa amanyuma adoso.
The Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association ya wonum ewo etifi epoye mantem no emu ediwan graduation to so eduonu nkronhye so honum ewo Bolgatanga na enye asem kitokwe nam so medite na 19 pina na wo mbepie mu wodwumadie no ase edi wani munyam betai echire na wona wopon hona wondodo no eye eduasa enkono ya wonum edi mfie miensa na kwaje ntetiye ewo adwuma no emu a womo etimi apon won ho eno nam so ema adwumadie no ase Odemonyam for Rebecca Golo ya wono ena woye Upper East Regional President Eddie Nsem etu ija.
The government encourage us to train the young ones, and when we train them along the line, they don't work again. You find some of them going back to the market to carry things on their head to sell. Some of them will run back to Kumasi to go and do Kayo. And it's not helping. I want to use this media to let it get to our president, His Excellency, John Dramani Mahama, that is to see to it that our young ones, when they come to the training and then they do the graduation and pass out like this, they should be able to establish them in terms of finance. Because of the expenditure of our equipment that we use, it's so expensive. Talking of the dryers, the washers, the setup, the salon, even the containers, the materials for the containers, they are all expensive.
Nekasa no wachino ena Joyce ya waka wonu ma wopon ho no ehun enso edi ensem sei eka won.
I will say a very, very big thanks to our madam, the leaders, and then the association, especially GABA, for the way they are handle things for us to also know that yes, if you are learning handwork, it's not anything that we are doing, but it's our future benefit. Something that even though if we stop it today, but because of the name GABA, we will stand again and then we move on.
Ne krakremu no ena adongo Jamila tu wono so eka wo ma wopon ho no ehu bi enso edi ensem sei eka ho.
Sometimes people do think it's only illiterates or dropouts that are doing what, that are learning work. That is not it. You see someone learning work and you see the person and you be thinking that the person is an illiterate or the person is a dropout. No. But looking at things nowadays, it's getting hard. You can even complete SHS. You go to university, then you graduate, maybe training college, and you are a teacher and you sit in the house for years and they will not post you. But I think handwork, after graduating, then you get a place and sit and you are doing it small. Every day, there's no way, God willing, you earn something to support yourself. So learning work is just a choice, but not you being a dropout or an illiterate.